free Wi-Fi on trains, how to find it, and which trains offer it. Stuck behind a useless Wi-Fi splash screen? Here's the no-nonsense playbook to get online on trains in 2025. First, before you book, search the operator plus Wi-Fi and check the exact route page. Coverage can vary by line, train set, and class. In the booking flow, look for a Wi-Fi icon. If it's missing, assume there's none. Scan FAQs for caps, many block streaming or large uploads, and note whether power outlets exist. No power, no hotspot. Onboard, connect to the train SSID and complete the captive portal. Speeds ebb in tunnels, rural stretches, and busy peak hours. Who actually offers free Wi-Fi? Generally, high-speed flagships and newer intercity trains usually include it. Regional or commuter lines are hit or miss. Overnight sleepers may have limited or paid access. First and business cars tend to be more stable than standard. Your fail-safe? Bring your own internet. Enable phone tethering, carry a power bank, download offline files, and know your plan's hotspot limits. Bottom line, verify per route, expect limits, and always have a hotspot backup.